First tonight, a Supreme Court ruling over an American Indian reservation in Oklahoma means hundreds of cases across the country are now being called into question. It's being called one of the largest legal wins for Native Americans, and it could help tribes in Kansas get their land back.
And KSNT's Lindley Ludd talked with an expert about what that could look like here.
This sign behind me draws the line between land that is owned by the state and land that is part of an Indian reservation. And now a U.S. Supreme Court decision could draw those lines a little differently. Just this morning, the U.S. Supreme Court made a decision that ruled a large part of Oklahoma is Native American land. The question before the court involved a case brought by Jim C. McGirt, a member of Seminole Nation of Oklahoma. He argued that his case ought to be tried by the federal government because the crimes were committed on the land of historic Muskogee Nation, which is why the distinction of whether the large swath of eastern Oklahoma qualified as reservation land was key. Under law, crimes involving Native Americans on a reservation are under federal, not state, jurisdiction. And the University of Utah College of Law's Dean Elizabeth Kronk Warner says that if a tribe in Kansas believes this may have happened to them and they have documentation, they can use that as a strong argument to possibly win their land back.
I think that's going to give tribes a lot of hope and a lot of comfort in the fact that they are not going to lose that hard-won, hard-bargained for treaty right that they have in the establishment of their reservation.
And the Attorney General's office told me that they are reviewing this decision and the potential changes that it could have on Kansas during this time. In Prairie Band, Potawatomi, Lindley Lund, KSNT News.